Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are at Knott's Berry Farm, and we are here during Thanksgiving break because Daddy is off for the whole week, and we have so much fun activities planned for this week. But today we are here at Knott's Berry Farm first, and then tomorrow we will be heading to Disneyland. So we were just gonna take you guys along with us, and hope you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So this is our first ride, which is the Silver Bullet, and it's my first time, Leia's first time, and Daddy's first time riding this ride. And yeah, because last time we were here, Leia was like a centimeter short of riding this ride, but now she's super excited to ride this ride, and I'm kind of nervous, or I was nervous, and I'm here to tell you guys that I made it alive. So yeah, it was super fun. Alright, Leia's first ride, Silver Bullet. It was so much fun. It's my first ride. So it was our first time riding this ride, and it actually reminded me of the Astro Blasters at Disneyland, and also the Toy Story Midway Mania, the game where you shoot objects and they add up all the points at the end. So it was actually really fun, and this one was also 3D, so it was super fun.
Boom. Let's go back to the surface.
So after Iron Reef, we were walking to our next ride, which was Calico River Rapids, and there's a section there where people are just kind of like igniting the water, and then so when the ride passes, the water like kind of like splashes on them. So yeah, so that's what that was.
For real? We can't get wet.
So this ride is super fun. It's kind of like bumpy, but it's just fun for the entire family. And this time the line was not long at all. The last time we were here, we waited probably about an hour, even over an hour, but as you can see, there were no lines, and we waited like 10-15 minutes, so it was awesome.
What did you get?
The mid one? The mid color? Sir.
No, I wanted the big one, the green, the matte green one.
Oh,
That's weird.
How many here?
So if you guys didn't already know, this was a water ride, so the kids got super soaked, especially Leia, but they had a blast, and yeah, super fun. So here we are just getting our free refill with our cup. We bought this cup the first time we had our annual pass, and for the whole year it's like $30 or $34 like that, and you could get unlimited refills on sodas. So I think it's a great deal because we go through like a lot.
Like regular clothes.
So here we are just walking to our next destination, which is lunch. We were all hungry, but as we were walking, we walked through so many different cute little stores. I'm not sure if they're like vendors from like third party, but I'm assuming they are because there's just so many cute little stores that are selling different items, and it was so fun just to walk through that little area. And I think there's a different section where they do have other vendors. So this is like a beaded jewelry store, and they have so many cute little items for sale. And yeah, so they also have Christmas carolers singing. It was so festive. I love going to amusement park during these, like this time of year, because yeah, it's just so festive and so fun. So now it is lunchtime. We just got chicken strips with fries. I think that's like a combo plate. And there were so many people in line, so we waited a long time, probably like over 30 minutes, but it was worth it because these chicken strips were so delicious, and they actually give you a lot for the price, so good. So Leia actually wanted to try out this game because she won this game before in Legoland, and she won like a big stuffed Pikachu, I think. So she wanted to try it out again, but unfortunately she didn't win, but she still had fun. So we are walking to hang time, and I didn't even think that I was gonna ride this ride. I thought we were just gonna sit it out, me and Eden. We were just gonna sit down and people watch and maybe get some coffee, but for some reason we ended up on this crazy ride. Did you guys see that? Like at the top you actually like hang. That's why it's called hang time, because you hang like for probably like 5 to 10 seconds and then it drops. But anyways, so yeah, so we ended up riding this ride, and I actually thought it was a good ride. Like it wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be like, oh my gosh, like I was really freaking out, but it ended up being fun. So yeah, so you guys never know unless you try it, I guess. But I thought that I would never try this ride, but I ended up trying it and loving it.
Riders, please sit back in your seats with your heads against the headrest. Keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Hold on to the grab bars in front of you and enjoy your ride on hang.
So after that ride, we asked the kids if they wanted to ride any more rides, but they just wanted to go to the hotel already. I think this was already like 3:30 in the afternoon. So we just decided to go check into our hotel, and I actually have a video that is posted up on YouTube already on my channel. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out where we stayed at the Hyatt Regency in Orange County. It's like probably 2 minutes to 5 minutes away from Disneyland. And yeah, if you guys want to check out how our hotel room looked like, just I'll link it down below. But it's a beautiful hotel. But yeah, so we had so much fun, and we're gonna go ahead and relax in our hotel room. After we settled into our hotel, we just hung out and relaxed for probably like 2 hours, and then we went upstairs or downstairs to the 3rd floor to the recreational deck, and we just kind of like explored the place before we had dinner. And we had dinner at Red Robin, and it was delicious as always. And we were still full from lunch, so we just had, I think we all had salads, and the kids had like mac and cheese, and I think Leia had like again, she had chicken strips with fries. But yeah, we were full, and we were saving up for dessert, because we will show you what we had for dessert. It was so good.
This is it.
That is GED. Shoot. GED.
Okay, let's skip her.
So after dinner, we went to Target to buy our snacks for the next day, because we were going to Disneyland. So we just got a couple snacks, and we also got, the kids wanted just cereal for breakfast, so we just got breakfast for the next day. And then after that, we headed over to downtown Disney for dessert, because we were actually gonna meet up with Kylan and Vivi. So we were gonna have a dessert at this place called Black Tap, and you guys, the dessert, the shakes it's called Crazy Shakes, and it is so good. The shakes were like giant shakes. So the way they created these shakes were so unique, and yeah, I have never seen any shakes like these before, and they were gigantic, and they were beautifully created, and they were delicious, and yeah, but they were really pricey though. They're like, I think $17 per shake, but it's a one-time thing, so it was really good. So as you can see, Leia enjoyed her shakes, as well as Nathan and Sarah, Kylan and Vivi. Yes, they devoured the shakes, and yeah, so we just had a great time hanging out with family, because tomorrow we are headed to Disneyland, and we're so excited for that. So we're gonna get plenty of rest and just enjoy our evening together.
You keep moving?
You're not moving anything.
I know.
He's trying to do this text. I see it moving a little. Flat.
There's no way my shoulder would pop out.
You download it so you help me.
Because that's what? 100 pounds.
I'll get mad on one level and I'll be like, no.
So after we had our shakes, we went over to World of Disney. It's a giant Disney store with everything you could think of possible Disney, and we love this place. But yeah, so we're just walking around, and we also got our tickets, our annual pass for tomorrow. So we also filmed Disney, our trip for Disney, so go ahead and wait for that video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys at our next video. Have a awesome day, guys. Bye.